Surya Kumar Yadav is on his way. He's going to be here in a few moments and few minutes from now. How many of you have watched the last match where India won against Pakistan, captained by Surya Kumar Yadav? Right after that match, this is the first time he's coming in front of people, he's coming in front of audience, and this is for us. Thank you to Jito to make this possible. Right? Big applause, please. I work with the Mumbai Indians. You can clap now also. Thank you very much. I am at Mumbai Indians. I am more senior to Surya Kumar Yadav. I've been with them for 15 years now. I also work for the Sunrisers Hyderabad. So if you've been to the stadium, Abhishek Sharma जिस stadium में छक्के मारता है, वहाँ पे हम भी होते हैं. All right. When Surya comes, when he's going to enter the hall, let's do something special together, right? And we're going to make it memorable, make it viral. An entire world should watch this. Are you ready with me? Are you ready to do this? Let's create some magic when he enters the hall. And what are we going to do? I will explain you now. When I get the call that Surya Kumar Yadav has entered HICC, is entered the complex, is entered just 1 kilometer away. At that time, I will give you a heads up, and all of us together will chant, will record this and make this video viral. Jito has invited Surya Kumar Yadav, the captain of Indian cricket team, the captain of Indian T20 international team, and this has to go viral. What are we going to do is as loud as possible, jitna zyada hum shor macha sake us time par, you're all going to cheer and scream out loud for Surya. Okay, let's do a practice now. Let's quickly get it rehearsed so that when he comes, it'll look like all of you are in sync. जब मैं बोलूँगा 3, 2, 1 and go. जब मैं बोलूँ 3, 2, 1 and go. All of you together. Let's go. Surya, Surya. Clap, clap, clap. Brilliant. We'll continue this till the time he comes up. Okay, we're going to do this now, a practice for let's say about 5-7 times. Okay? Then when Surya Kumar Yadav is right there, right behind the doors, or right there, right behind the door, I'm going to tell you 3, 2, 1, let's go. And then we start. Surya, Surya. Clap, clap, clap. 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, clap. Okay, let's make it more special. Let's put our hands up in the air. And then clap, clap, clap. Okay, for the clap. No, not Surya's call. Some other call. When you clap, put your hands up in the air. And then clap, clap, clap. Okay? Is that okay? सब लोग okay बोलेंगे तभी तो कर पाएंगे ना? Yes! Cut the monitor please. एक बार monitor cut कर दीजिए. Okay. 3, 2, 1 and start 3 times. Let's do it. Let's rehearse it 3 times. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, start. Surya. Brilliant. Fantastic. Okay, and that is when he comes up on stage, he'll be like, wow, this is the best audience ever. This is Jito. Okay. Anyone who has any questions, anyone who wants to know what Surya eats, any kid who wants to know what is his batting style, yeah? So all of you, I'm going to ask him a lot of questions. I hope I cover all your points. Okay, I'm going to ask him all of these. So remember it very well and try and implement that so that you can also be successful, and Jito will call you for such an amazing event someday. How much time did you say? 1 second, you're on loudspeaker. Entire stadium is listening to you. How much time to go?
2 minutes.
All right, hey, 2 minutes and Surya Kumar Yadav is going to be here. Are you all ready? इतनी सी आवाज में कुछ नहीं होगा. Much more louder, much more powerful. Are you ready? All right, there are some interesting reels being made for that. Take your position. All of you put your hands up in the air. Hands up in the air. Are you ready? All right, how many people are here right now? 500? 1,000? 1500? Well, Surya Kumar Yadav carries the pressure of 1.4 billion people when he goes out there and plays for cricket, plays for India, plays his game on the T20 games, ODI games. The kind of pressure, the kind of situation the cricketers go through, it's going to be amazing. We're going to find out more about all of that he does to prepare himself before the big games. आज तक किसी भी टूर्नामेंट में, किसी भी वर्ल्ड के टूर्नामेंट में, स्पेशली क्रिकेट के टूर्नामेंट में ऐसा बहुत ही कम हुआ होगा जहां पे दो टीम आपस में 3 बार एक ही सीरीज के अंदर भिड़ी होंगी और तीनों के 3 बार पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है जब एक टीम ने दूसरी टीम को हराया है। तीनों के 3 बार उसी टीम ने दूसरी टीम को हराया है। Any guesses which teams am I talking about? Which team am I talking about? India and Pakistan. तीनों के 3 बार, for all the 3 times in the Asia Cup, India defeats Pakistan. And today, we are going to meet the captain of that Indian cricket team which won against Pakistan at the Asia Cup in Dubai. He's going to be here in a matter of few minutes, right here before us on this very stage. A big thank you to Jito. My name is Sunny Khandelwal. You can follow me on Instagram if you haven't done that already. MC Sunny, EMCWSUNNY. And if you're lucky, I might give you a ticket or invite to IPL match. How much time?
1 minute, but we are just behind coming.
1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, get ready to meet India's captain of T20 International. Get ready to meet Mr. 360 degrees. He is going to be here in less than 60 seconds. Everyone, kindly settle down. You want to enjoy, you want to have a good match, good show. सबको enjoy करना है, तो please settle down. अगर कोई भी बीच में खड़े हो जाएंगे, तो पीछे सभी लोग खड़े हो जाएंगे. I promise you, we will make sure he spends maximum time with us. ढेर सारे बहुत ही अच्छी बातें करेंगे हम सूर्य कुमार यादव के साथ. But all of you kindly settle down. Sit down, my friends. Sit down, settle down. अगर कोई भी बीच में खड़े हो जाएंगे, आपके पीछे जितने भी गेस्ट्स हैं, जितने भी फैंस हैं सूर्य कुमार यादव के, everybody will have to suffer. So then everyone starts standing up. Right? So all of you kindly maintain the decorum. Please be seated. ये जो aisle है यहाँ पर, अगर आप बैठेंगे नहीं तो कहाँ से हम लेके आएंगे सूर्य कुमार यादव को? हाँ जी, आप सभी लोग, our dear friends, were all so excited, and so am I, and so is everyone right here. But if you can kindly settle down, तभी तो यहाँ से आ पाएंगे सूर्य कुमार यादव. So things that we're going to do, when Surya comes in, I'm going to tell you 3, 2, 1 and go. 10 times. ठीक है, 10 times, let's do it. Surya, Surya, clap, clap, clap with your hands up in the air. All right, everyone. Hey, hi Anna. Yes. Please kindly settle down, ladies, gentlemen, kids. All of us are really excited to meet one of the most successful players of T20 and ODI. If all of you kindly settle down, then I can make the call and ask the entire team along with Surya Kumar Yadav to come inside the hall. If you can all kindly settle down, I think we're only waiting for आप सब लोग बैठे ताकि सूर्य कुमार यादव आ जाएं. हम उन्हें इनवाइट कर सके, ओनली इफ रास्ता भी मिल पाए उन्हें आने के लिए.
दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, लहरा दो,
Everyone, come on!
लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो,
Presenting to you,
गर्दिश में फिर
Surya Kumar
अपनी
Yadav.
सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो,
This is real.
सरकशी
All right, everyone, kindly settle down. And 3, everyone get ready. Surya! This is the kind of pride, and all of us are so happy to see you. Welcome to Hyderabad, Surya. Thank you, everyone. Kindly settle down. Grab a seat. ढेर सारी बातें करेंगे हम आपके फेवरेट सूर्य कुमार यादव के साथ. Right, I'm sure. आप सभी लोग अगर आप सब बैठ जाएं, we can take things forward. एक कच वादा. और एब्सोल्युटली ये सारे चैंट्स हम मुंबई इंडियंस में करते हैं. कच वादा सूर्या दादा. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all right, we have a very special video. All eyes on the big screen. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, all the Surya Kumar fans. All right, here's a special video for the captain of India T20
limit.
International.
In world cricket today, one name has redefined audacity, innovation and fearless batting. Surya Kumar Yadav, the man they call Sky. From Mumbai's Maidans to the world's grandest arenas, Surya Kumar Yadav's story is not of overnight stardom, but of relentless dedication, years of toil and a passion that refused to fade. Fearless, flamboyant and a true game changer. A maverick who could own every corner of the field, turning bowlers into spectators and matches into spectacles. Making the world stand and watch, Sky is a 360-degree genius who can innovate under pressure and entertain with elegance. He rose to become the world's #1 T20 batsman and now leads Team India with the same fearless energy that defines his batting, inspiring the next generation with every stroke and every decision. Surya Kumar Yadav is not just a cricketer, he is an inspiration to dreamers from the gullies to fans across the globe. His journey proves that passion, patience and persistence can make the impossible possible. Jeeto Connect 2025 Hyderabad welcomes Surya Kumar Yadav, a leader who proves that whether in cricket or in life,
my trophies are sitting in my dressing room. All the 14 guys with me, all the support staff, those are the real trophies who I have been big fan of throughout this journey of Asia Cup since we came here and we played this tournament. We started our preparations. I think those are the real trophies, real moments. एक रीज़न दे दिया इंडिया को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. इससे बड़ी बात क्या हो सकती है? इट्स लाइक अ जेस्चर मेरी तरफ से. पता नहीं है कंट्रोवर्सी हो सकता है कि नहीं. कंट्रोवर्शियल नहीं है, इट्स अ गुड थिंग. आई एक्चुअली पर्सनली वांट टू गिव माय मैच पीस ऑफ ऑल द गेम्स व्हिच आई हैव प्लेड इन दिस टूर्नामेंट टू द इंडियन आर्मी. थैंक यू टू द इंडियन आर्मी.
success belongs to those who dare, innovate and inspire.
All right, can you believe it? दुबई में पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट एशिया कप फाइनल्स में जीत हासिल करने के बाद आज हम सबके सामने बैठे हैं इंडियन T20 इंटरनेशनल के कैप्टन, द वन एंड ओनली सूर्या कुमार यादव. All right, Surya, we've got some pool of questions. ढेर सारी आपसे बातें करनी है. ये सारे हैदराबाद के क्वेश्चंस हैं आपसे.
सारे हैदराबाद के हैं.
सारे हैदराबाद, सारे जैन कम्युनिटी, सारे जीतो के बिहाफ पे I'm going to ask you these questions.
Definitely.
All right, from the local Mumbai Maidans to becoming India's Mr. 360 degrees. Let us know about this beautiful journey that you've come across.
Firstly, before answering, I want to tell everyone thank you so much for coming out in numbers. I think it's great to see so many people for this event. अब मैंने कोई event कभी इतना attend नहीं किया जिसमें इतने सारे लोग आए. So I am also a little nervous. And such a lovely and lively crowd here. ये तो पूरा stadium वाला feeling दे दिया आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे. Proper. Thank you so much. And also, I mean, from Maidans of cricket, I feel it's been a great journey. I have played all my local cricket. Whenever I was growing up, I played all my cricket in Bombay. Learned so many things in Maidans of cricket, and from there, going out, playing for the country, I think it's the biggest honor and pride for me to representing India and so many people at a bigger stage, and it gives me a lot of happiness. When everyone smiles, I smile.
Wonderful. जब मैं बोलूं we want, सूर्या बैटिंग करने आते तो अक्खा मुंबई, अक्खा स्टेडियम, हर स्टेडियम बोलता है सिक्सर. लेकिन अब हम यहाँ पे बोलेंगे we want सूर्या. Let's do this together. We want. All right, Surya Kumar Yadav is not going anywhere. It has just begun. You played under different captains. आपने under the captainship of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, under captainship of Rohit Sharma, under the captain Virat Kohli. What are the leadership qualities that you would have picked up from each one of them?
Firstly, I feel myself very unfortunate that I never got an opportunity to play under Mahi Bhai. I always wanted कि जब वो captain हो India के, तो I will get an opportunity to play under him, but I never got an opportunity. But I saw him, I mean, behind the stumps, whenever I have played against him, he's been a very cool customer, very relaxed. And one thing I've learned from him when I played against him is he's very relaxed in all the pressure situations. He's very cool, looks around the game, learns, see what's happening, and then takes a call. Then I think I made my India debut when Virat Bhai was captain. I think Virat Bhai is a very hard taskmaster. He pushes your limits, and he wants best. I mean, all the captains wants the best from all the players, but he was full of energy on the field, off the field as well. And he was also different. All had same goal, but he was also a little different. Then came Rohit Bhai, under whom I played a lot of cricket for IPL franchise as well, and also eventually for India. I think he's someone who gets everyone comfortable around him, inspiration for all the youngsters. I mean, everyone looks at all the captains, but he was built different. We could see him, we could feel him. His door was always open 24/7 for everyone to come, and that's different quality which I learned from him, and also from other two captains.
Great. Talking about under Mahendra Singh Dhoni, it was right there. Surya Kumar Yadav was always there on the cards. लेकिन पता नहीं किस बहाने या ऐसा कौन सा कारण था जो maybe it took time for you to come. So that's where I'm going to move next. You waited for nearly 11 years from Mumbai debut to wearing Indian jersey. During this phase, which is, you're there, but still not there. That was so uncertain. What does it take for also businessmen and business owners who are right here in front of us? How difficult is this to handle that kind of a long period?
I think it will be very difficult if I don't tell the truth. If I lie, it won't do justice. It is very difficult if you're doing well, if you want something to happen in your life, if you want to reach somewhere and you're working hard towards it, you badly want it. But then at some point, there has to be someone, a close friend or your close partner around you who can tell you that if you just follow the journey, of course, you will definitely reach your destination, but at the same time, don't miss out on the enjoyment of the journey. Just follow it properly with lot of discipline, lot of hard work, and everything will fall in place. So that kept me going. Same like how we do in business, we do it with passion. The same thing I do in cricket also. We play this game because we love the sport, and we play this with passion, and it kept me driving towards that goal that yes, one day I want to wear that India cap, and I kept working towards it. And one day when it came, me, my family, all the friends, and I'm sure who badly wanted me to be there were all in tears.
Lovely. The applause says it all. We are all extremely proud of you and seeing you in the Indian jersey. One very interesting scenario was when Suryakumar Yadav was debuted for Mumbai Indians. Before the first game he was playing for the Mumbai Indians, he mentioned that he couldn't sleep that night because next day is the debut match for the Mumbai Indians for our superstar. From that moment to now leading Team India. And this journey is incredible. We'd want to know who was, or maybe it can be more, people who were with you in this journey.
I think my family has played a very, very big role. And then later on, my wife Devisha, she came into our lives. She made it very different. So our goals were aligned. That yes, you are playing the sport, you are playing domestic cricket, you are playing age group cricket, or you are playing franchise cricket. But what is that one thing different that you want to do, which will make you help and play for India? So we all sat together, we started having a chat around it. All the chats were really positive. We kept working towards that goal. And also for the support from all the 140 crore people when I played for India. I think that was also immense. That kept me driving to do what I am doing today. And it gives me a lot of motivation, a lot of inspiration from each one I meet. I meet a lot of people every day and I meet everyone. And I meet everyone, they say different things with a lot of motivation. I take it in my stride and keep moving forward.
Sweet. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and children of all ages, we are here in Hyderabad at this fabulous event brought to you by Jito. And we are in conversation with a man who's known for his innovative batting style, infectious smile, and the inspiring leadership. Well, Suryakumar Yadav is with us right now. Surya, during the Asia Cup finals against Pakistan, you admitted that your heartbeat was crossing 150, even when you were in the dressing room. Wow, the kind of pressure and the intense situation that is. How is it to keep calm and keep it under control at those crucial situations in that bigger match?
See, my heartbeat has already become fast after thinking about that game. I'm sure everyone must align with that when we were watching that game. I was watching there when I was sitting in the dugout, in the dressing room. Everyone must have been glued with their televisions back home. But it was a different feeling because, see, to be very honest, you are already out. You've done your part. You're back in the dressing room. Now you can't do anything. Just sit back and watch other players do their part. It was very difficult. Because when you're playing, when you're inside, you're completely distracted from everyone. You're focused on your game, what you want to do, how you want to win the game. But at the same time, when you're inside, a lot of things run in your mind and there are so many people trying to tell you so many things to send a message inside for the guys who are doing the job. But after 7th, 8th over, I just walked inside. I went into the dressing room, had some coconut water, I relaxed myself and asked one of the coaches, You've played so much cricket. You know who I'm talking about. You've played so much cricket. You've been in a difficult situation. You've been there, done it. How are you so calm and relaxed? So they were like, that's the one thing which we like doing when such situations arise. That we want you all to be calm, relaxed. Because when you're relaxed, when you're calm, very cool, at that time you take the right decisions. I tried my best to do that. But I couldn't do it. My heartbeat was still fast till Rinku Singh hit that boundary on the second last ball and got us past that line. But yeah, my heart rate was literally pumping up.
So we also remember that you kept your cool as well versus South Africa. And if not for that calm and cool, the result would have, I don't know, what would it be? It would have still been under India's way, but the catch which made the difference. Is that the classic example of keeping it cool?
See, I feel God gave me an opportunity at that moment to do something special for India. I'm very, happy, and at the same time, thank everyone who gave me a lot of wishes in that moment. That actually completely changed my career. The way I looked at sport, the way I started walking, the way I started playing after that. I used to enjoy even before that, but then after that, it gave me a lot of motivation to do even more things like that, like taking a catch or anything, playing a knock. But yeah, that was the moment, and I'm really thankful to God to have me there in that moment, because that was actually not my position where I used to field during that game, but I went in that over there, and that catch coming at that time, it was the moment. And I really enjoyed it. I don't know how many times I watched that moment till now, but it is, and it will be one of the life-changing moments of my life.
Fabulous. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the moment which made India world champions. Right, we are talking to a champion right now. आपने अभी गौतम गंभीर के बारे में बात किया, the coach of the Indian team. Well, the relation which you share with the coach, the relation which you share with Gautam Gambhir is like bade bhaiya and chote bhai, elder brother, younger brother. You've always encouraged explosive batter like Abhishek Sharma to go out there and do whatever his mind says at that point in time, because he's the way he is. And you've also sacrificed your batting order, your batting position for other players. Especially, I'd like to mention here is about Tilak Varma, promoting him up the order. And uske baad jo kamal hua, hum sabko pata hai. Well, the other team was prepared for Sharma. Tilak came out of syllabus.
Correct.
Yeah, Sharma ke liye tayari karke gaye the. Out of syllabus aaye Varma. Or what was the reason? Maybe because captain like Surya Kumar Yadav started giving that opportunity for the players to go out there, spend that time, and the result is right there. Was that something which you manifested, or was that something which you thought that it might just help someday or the other?
No, see, when you see someone working really hard, when you see a spark in someone, like for example Abhishek Sharma, I've seen him bat, I've seen him how he's reached the top level, what has given him that identity. So in first few games when I told him that you will open for India for quite some time, he didn't have a good few games, good few series. Then I was like, just relax, do the same things what you've been doing for your franchise, for your state. Don't change your identity, just keep batting. Even anything you do for the team, anything which has a team goal in it, you will always be part of this side. And same thing I told Tilak also. Tilak was also batting really well at that time, and he was like, let me have that responsibility, let me bat over there. I thought if someone is saying with so much positivity, I was like, just bat, just enjoy, even if nothing happens, don't worry, you will bat at your normal position. And the way he batted, the way he scored centuries, the way he batted in this Asia Cup, I think that was a tournament deciding moment.
Absolutely. In business, of course, another coincidence there with the previous question was between Abhishek Sharma and Tilak Varma. Abhishek plays for the Hyderabad franchise, and Tilak Varma is a Hyderabadi boy. All right, if I have to connect that with the business owners, the entrepreneurs who are seated right here, who are running first generation, second generation, third generation business house, how do you, according to you, this is, Surya, if you could tell us how to balance and give freedom to the team, how to build the team culture, and how to believe in the team's capacity?
I feel in any team environment, like for example, if you want to talk about sports and business, I think it's quite similar. There also in business, you have a team of at least 7, 10, 12, whatever. In cricket also, you have a team of 10, 11 people. But it's very important to listen to what people want to say. and in the room, because different people have different opinions. You have to respect that. Firstly, you have to treat everyone equal. There's no one bigger than anyone in that room. Everyone is the same. Once you start listening, once you start hearing them properly and share your thoughts on the table, what everyone brings at the table, I think that's one thing which actually helps the team environment, and it's actually same in the sport and also from business point of view as well. Then they start respecting you because those are the people who work out of their skins for you, and that's about it. That's how you do it in sports and also in a business environment.
Thank you for your insight on that. अभी हम थोड़े मस्ती और इंटरेस्टिंग वाले क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे हमारे फेवरेट प्लेयर से. These are a lot of fun facts, fun questions coming your way. Which is your favorite shot out of these two? Scoop over fine leg or inside out over cover?
Scoop over fine leg.
All right, brilliant. They know it all. Indians know it all. The toughest bowler you faced till date?
I think people are saying no one, but I've played a lot of skilled bowlers. I think the most difficult bowler I have faced is my wife at home.
That should have a bigger applause, ladies and gentlemen. One bowler whom you would love to hit for sixers all day long. Your favorite bowler whom you would love to hit sixers all day long.
I think everyone here is giving a controversial answers. But on a given day, I mean, any bowler whom I'm playing against in a side, if my side needs a lot of sixes, I think that bowler. I don't want to take any name. I know you all are telling a lot of names.
You're all having a great time, great conversations with the captain of T20I India, Surya Kumar Yadav. Well, Rohit Sharma in one word.
It's very difficult actually to describe him in one word, but yeah, big brother.
Big brother, lovely. Virat Kohli in one word.
Goat.
Nice. Jito in one word.
Family.
All right, this is on my personal agenda. Wankhede Stadium in one word.
Home.
Mumbai Indians in one word.
Oh my God. Another family. Extended family.
Brilliant. If not a cricketer,
सब बॉम्बे से है लगता है.
आमची मुंबई. आला रे आला, सूर्या दादा आला. एकच वादा. एकच वादा. Well, for those who are wondering what this is one of our chants that we do it, especially when Surya steps into any stadium across the country. More importantly in Maharashtra, Ekach Vada Surya Dada.
अरे भाई, thank you यार, thank you.
If not a cricketer, अगर सूर्य कुमार यादव cricketer नहीं होते, तो क्या होते?
Definitely a businessman and associated with Jito.
ये था सूर्य कुमार यादव का सिक्सर. Right, who's your favorite Bollywood actor?
Very difficult actually. All are brilliant actors, but Akshay Kumar, yeah, I love him. Akshay Kumar is. All are at number one. All the actors whom I love are at number one. Nowhere is number two.
Is Surya Kumar Yadav a great singer or a better dancer?
But not a great dancer, but definitely a good bathroom singer. No chance.
All
they'll,
right.
they'll go back.
Okay. जब सूर्य कुमार यादव का बायोपिक बनेगा, कौन सा वो एक्टर होगा whom you would like that actor to play your biopic?
I think जब भी बनेगा, I think it'll be an honor for me. It'll be a big thing, but definitely someone just said it. Vicky Kaushal. Vicky Kaushal, yeah.
All right, great. Can we give nicknames to your Asia Cup winning team? Yeah, I'm going to tell the player name. Maybe 3. Okay, great. Abhishek Sharma.
Shera.
Tilak Verma.
Verma. What? Wall. They say the wall. Okay.
Right.
Yeah, I think he was very strong in the final. The wall.
Good one.
Yeah.
And Jasprit Boom Boom Bumrah.
Oh my God. Fighter.
You know, the name Boom Boom Bumrah came out of a game which was ongoing at the Wankhede Stadium. I prepared myself for Boom 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 Bumrah. It was it was something which I improvised and prepared myself, saying Boom 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 Bumrah. First time I tried that at the Wankhede Stadium, Boom 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 Bumrah. I couldn't get that connect with the crowd. Next step I modified it to Boom Boom. Now entire world calls him Bumrah. And it all happened live during a game when we all started this together at the Wankhede Stadium. How do you want me to cheer when you're batting out there for the franchise or for the Indian cricket team?
I think you're doing good. It's going well. Let's stick to it. If everything is going really well, ungli mat karo.
Okay, done. Any music that you want me to play when you're batting, when you're coming into bat?
I think, see, I'm a very big fan of all the comedy movies. I like because when I'm walking in the game, I want to be relaxed. I want to be smiling when I'm batting, when I'm on the ground. So I think any song from a comedy movie. Maybe I think recently you played a welcome song when I was walking into bat. So let's stick to that.
All right, perfect. As a cricketer, there are highs and lows, ups and downs. All that comes to you, it plays back of your mind, or is it something which you keep it away and let nothing come your way when you're batting for the Indian team?
See, when you go into the game, you can't think what has happened behind. Even if you have done well, you have to start from scratch. Even if you're not doing well, still you have to start from scratch. So I think what's more important for you is to be honest to yourself. Very important to be honest, know what's happening around, work hard towards your goal, and then rest, leave it to rest, leave it to God. When you go inside, you want to bat. I think you go on autopilot mode when you go into bat. You know what bowlers are going to bowl at you. So you have a plan, and that at the same time, just enjoy what you're doing. Because when you go inside, like for example, if you're going for a business meeting and you go in the meeting and you start overthinking, you will forget all your plans and you will forget all your homework. When you go inside, just leave everything, just be fresh, relaxed, and just let it pass.
Sweet. All the young kids right here, the future of our country is right here. The kind of inspiration, and how much of it is going to impact them, seeing you right in front of their eyes. Something which you'd want to pass on to them, some message which you want all the kids to remember and to take home with them today.
Currently, it looks like what they want to take back home is a lot of photos and autographs. Looking at them, it feels like. But yeah, I mean, this is actually a right age to think, to have a goal in life, what you want to do. I'm sure parents will also have a lot of support to all the kids around. But at the same time, I think they look too young right now. Let them enjoy, choose their own path, have fun, and think what they want to do in life. But at the same time, when they grow a little more older, then I think working hard, being honest to yourself is really important. And most important thing, when you get up, when you're brushing your teeth and you see that girl, lady, or man in that mirror, don't cheat. Simple.
For all the Jito community here, come to Hyderabad. We've got people coming in from across the world to attend this event. And everyone is made it a point they have to attend and be a part of this particular show when it is meeting you in person. It's seeing you live. What would you want to pass on to an entire Jito family who's come here, the entire Jain International Trade Organization who's put this event together, and thank you for gracing the occasion.
Firstly, thank you so much for having me. I think it feels like, as I said before, it feels like a family. They've made a proper setup. Actually, it feels like I'm just about to walk into bat, and they are all supporting me. And but in a funny way, keep calling me. I would love to be part of this wonderful family again. Spend time with you all. Love to share thoughts. And just have a smile. Take a lot of positivity from here. Hopefully, I'll need it when I go and play the next series, and give you many more reasons to smile. Me and my T20 guys will try our best to entertain you all on the ground and also off the field. As I'm hearing, a lot of people are saying the press conferences are going really well. So we'll try our best, definitely, and give you more reasons to smile, be happy, and enjoy wherever you are. Thank you.
It's so nice to see. मैंने आज बहुत ही कम बार बोला है, एक बार ताली हो जाए, बिना बोले ही after every question you're applauding the answers you receive from Surya Kumar Yadav. This is so nice to see. इसका मतलब आप सभी को इतना मजा आ रहा है listening to him so patiently and understanding every single word that he is meaning and telling, talking and narrating it to you. Right, in the dressing room. So what we know, what we see is press conference, field of play. What we don't get to know is what happens in the dressing room, right? Now the T20 International World Cup winning team to the Asia Cup winning team. The players, it's just about Bumrah, Surya Kumar Yadav. Anybody else who's there?
There are a lot of players. Hardik is there, Akshar is there.
Akshar Patel. When the players have changed, the dressing mood atmosphere also changes. What happens in the dressing room, please? All of us would love to know the fun in the dressing room.
I feel only the characters have changed. I think the mood is the same in the dressing room because we know what happened in the T20 World Cup, the way we were enjoying the campaign over there. We tried to follow the same thing in our new T20 environment, and we're doing the same things. We're not doing anything different. We are having a lot of fun. Someday, I will definitely share the BTS of the dressing room. You all will completely go crazy when it comes out, but it's completely different from what happens on the field. Off the field, we are all, I mean, it's an unreal environment in the dressing room. That's how we go out. We play some fearless cricket. We try and give a lot of reasons for everyone to smile, even though, but one thing which is very common, which we've come down to after hearing from everyone is, irrespective of what happens on the field, even if we win, or we learn, or we do well, or we don't do well, when we come out of that boundary, we don't carry anything from the ground. We are just normal people, like we're normal players. When someone meets you, greets you, we be humble and we be good characters of the field. That's how you will get love, and you will definitely do well in your games going forward. So that's what one thing which we do, but we do a lot of fun in the dressing room. A lot of fun. You have to see. I'll definitely share a video soon of Abhishek and Shubman Gill. They both are lovely characters, but not only both of them, there are a lot of them. You will like it.
All right, lovely. आज जीतो के स्टेज पर we have perhaps put this thought in Surya's mind that something which happens in the dressing room we would all love to watch. And the BTS in the dressing room is coming our way very soon. Hopefully during the next league, next tournament. During IPL, all of you are playing against each other, you know, in different franchises. You're divided by franchise, united by the sponsors, but divided by the franchise. And then soon after, all of you get together and play for the Indian cricket team. Is that shift easy to adapt or it takes time?
No, it's very easy. But if you see when we are playing franchise cricket, at that time we do a lot of sledging to each other. Recently, I remember when Abhishek got 100 for Sunrisers, he got a chit from his pocket and he showed this is for Orange Army. So whenever he played against us, next two games when he played against MI, I used to check his pockets whenever he came into bat. But at the same time, when we play against each other, like for example, Shubman plays for other franchise, all the players who play for other franchise, when we are playing a game on the ground, we do a lot of sledging. But as soon as the game is over, we are very relaxed, chilled out. We try and share thoughts, what we could have done better, and then we move on.
And that also happens after the presentation ceremony, where all of you are bonding together.
Yeah, I mean, it does happen, yes.
Great. How is this? This is within India. This is within Indian players. You're playing for the same country. What happens when the scenario is with international players?
What are you talking about?
Jaise ki you're playing cricket with an Australian player under the franchise cricket, the South African player. Then you play versus each other. How do you carry that kind of momentum? And is there a sledging which continues there, or it is professional cricket?
It does continue over there as well. Depends where we are playing. If we are playing in Australia or they are playing at home. At home, we don't need to sledge because there's everyone around in the crowd who does that. But when we are playing away from home, though we never feel, Indian team never feels that they are playing away from home because there are a lot of Indians in different countries who come out and support the Indian team. But at the same time, I feel we do a lot of sledging on the ground to other players also. But then, as I said, after the game, it's all normal and relaxed.
Wonderful. Among the audience, this is one golden opportunity for one person to ask one question to Surya Kumar Yadav. Please settle down. It will be randomly selected. And one question, a golden opportunity. And this goes to the boy sitting right here in front of us.
So many. Okay, what we can do is, we can take one question from the kids and one question from the crowd.
All right. Everyone sit down. The one who sits in their place gets this opportunity. If you get up, you lose the opportunity.
Yeah, anyone.
All right, hey. Just one, please come forward, right? What's your question and what's your name?
My name is Arhat. I don't have any question, but I want to say something for you. Can I say?
Of course, you're on camera. Turn around and say.
सूरज जब आता है तो सुप्रभात लाता है. सूरज जब आता है तो सुप्रभात लाता है. चांद जब आता है तो चांदनी रात लाता है. और जब हमारे प्यारे क्रिकेटर सूर्य कुमार यादव मुस्कुराते हैं ना, हमारे प्यारे क्रिकेटर सूर्य कुमार यादव मुस्कुराते हैं ना, तो पूरे हिंदुस्तान का इतिहास ही बदल जाता है.
Oh my. Well done, champion. Aj.
Thank you, Chote.
Well done. And it's a birthday, and she is extremely lucky. Oh, wow.
अरे भाई, it's a birthday यार, गाना गाओ. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear. What's your name? Nivika. Happy birthday to you. You want to eat chocolate? 3? Give him one.
Thank you, Devika.
Very nice. Thank you. So sweet.
God bless.
Enjoy. How will I do it? Come.
All right, kids, please be seated.
Now you can go. Thank you. Thank you. Baap re. Give me your phone.
Yeah, Surya.
Okay, guys, everyone, hold on. Before we move ahead, come on, Jito, let us make sure that Surya feels at home. Come on, give it up for Surya Kumar Yadav!
I'll give it later.
All right, everyone. He's
We'll
not
have
going
to-
anywhere. Sit down.
We'd love to invite on stage our committee members, Shri Jitendra Kumar Manot, Shri Shripal Bachawat, Shri Praveen Shah, Shri Vicky Oswal, Shri Rajat Hardy, Shri Nikunj Oswal, Shri Akshay Jain, Shri Saksham Sabhadra, Shri Ankit Bhutoria, Shri Madhu Jain, Shri Nilesh Nahar, Shri Prakhar Jain, Shri Devin Kothari, Shri Rohit Kothari, and Shri Lalit Chopra. Buddy, thank you so much for joining us. Pleasure. On behalf of Jito and Jito Connect, we thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Can
you
I do
so
a
much.
picture with you?
आ जाओ.
Come on, everyone, you all can join in the picture. Come on, do India, 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 Surya, 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 Surya.
Sky, you're India's first AI mouse. This is a special gift for you, customized for you.
Thank you, sir.
Before we move ahead, can we have all the committee members do a एक बार पीछे आ जाएं सारे कमेटी मेंबर्स. Can we have all the board members stand here for a picture? Team, board of directors.
ऐसे खड़े हो जाइए. एक मिनट सर. अंकित, everyone come this side. सर आओ ना. सर जल्दी. अरे विक्की भाई को लाना. अरे विक्की भाई को छोड़ो. आ जाओ विजय भाई. प्लीज. विक्की भाई इधर आ जाओ ना सर. एक बार सबका पिक्चर हो जाए. सर ऐसा खड़े हो जाओ ना सब दिख भी रहा है.
Okay, can we have the photographers? Can we do one photo? Everyone face this side. Face.
भाई नीचे बैठ जा सब दिखेंगे.
What madness. The captain of Indian T20 cricket team is here. Well, what madness. The captain of Indian T20 cricket team is here with Jito. Yeah? Oh.
अरे भाई रुक रहे भाई. अरे हम लोग सब जाने वाले हैं. आराम से.
सब लोग वापस आ जाइए. We have a bigger announcement to make. तिलक वर्मा का भी अनाउंसमेंट है. आ जाओ सब लोग वापस अंदर.